What's going on, my beautiful prepping family? The wife and I came here to Sam's to shop today. We wanted to show you some must-have deals for June of 2022. June of 2022, due to the heat wave going on in the Southwest. Man, it's hot out here. It is hot as balls, and it is insanely heated. Everybody is going to start getting heat waved here, and they're going to start getting heat anger, basically, because I mean, to stay cool is ridiculous. So right here behind us, it's one of these AC units that you definitely have to have. It's a window, so 6,000 BTU for $189. It's a window AC unit for those that need the extra cooling in case your AC at home is not working. And those, I want to appreciate that the ones that already hit that like button and commented in the last video. We do appreciate it. We appreciate the love and support. Those that didn't comment, I do appreciate you watching as well.
Yes,
It is all appreciated.
Much love, much love.
Please make sure you hit that like and share button and subscribe if you can. It is free to do so. So I know for a fact diesel prices are high right now, but you know, those that are diesel drivers and require the blue def, you can get the 2.5 gallon here for $15.48 here at Sam's Club. For those that need the AC repairs on their vehicles, they got R134 refrigerant here at $99.98 for 12 cans at 12 ounces each can. Also, diesel people, there goes the oil as well for your diesel needs. And it looks like they just got a truck, if I'm not mistaken. I'm about to go check out in the food section here in a little bit. But they do have some cat food in stock still, dog food. You know, it's low on quantity there on that dog chow. For you dog owners and lovers, this is the rest of the dog food over here. Hey, people that are gonna prepare for 4th of July, if you're gonna buy your own fireworks as well, they do have them here in Sam's Club. They do have this other AC unit for 8,000 BTU right here for $239. This other one here, 12,000 BTU for $299. And then this is a fan tower for $60, $59.98. For your outdoor needs as well, get the off for $16.98. Comes in a 3-pack. Look at this AC unit. It's got 14,000 BTU for $500. It's a stand-up unit. It's a window unit as well. 5,000 BTU for $139. This is a fan that you can put in open space as well for like nice airflow for $89.98. There's a life straw here. It filterizes water. It's a 3-pack. $39.98. So this is the other side of the 4th of July fireworks that you can buy here in Sam's Club. If you're trying to prepare for 4th of July, for the fireworks, get the big bangers and...
We have a lot of different options.
Yep. Look, for you preppers here as well, you could use a food saver. Costs $149.98, and it brings 4 custom settings. It also includes a roll storage, roll cutter, and one-handed latch. For the preppers, this is a good prepping tool to use for your preparation of food and store food as well.
And they also have the bags.
And look, the bags right here. Yep. Good eye, babe. Good eye. Food saver for $42.98. The bags, awesome. And it brings how many bags?
6 heat in seal bags, and they're 1 gallon.
Look, they do have glass Tupperwares for food storing as well. $24.98. They do have the Rubbermaid Tupperwares, $20 for this 64 piece. They do have this 50 piece Rubbermaid, which I think is a little bit, these are a little bit heavier duty than these for a few bucks more. Look at this growler. It holds coffee, water, whatever you want it to hold, and it becomes a cup for your outdooring needs. How dope. $20 for this bad boy. And they do come in 2 different colors. So it does look like they just got a truck in. They are starting to put some of this product out. But it's crazy, it is insane how they were able to get food here versus Walmart. And you know, you would figure since they are pretty much the same owned companies that they would be able to stock Walmart up, you know? Be a bag of sweet onions, $4.98. Your bag of yellow potatoes, $7.62. Your bag of limes, $4.87. Navel oranges. So this Walmart does have chicken in stock. Looks like they just stocked up. See this price on this thing. Rotisserie chicken. People that are going to be grilling, you could always come and get your grill meat here. It already comes prepared. All you gotta do is just throw it on the grill and cook it. That's it, pretty much. That's pretty much it. That's how much it costs a pound. All these chickens here. Beef ribeye steak. Look at all these watermelons they have in stock. $4.98 for all our fruit eaters. You know, we're gonna
forget your watermelon, people.
We're gonna starve on protein, but you can definitely get filled up with watermelons. This Sam's Club has a sushi section for the sushi lovers. For our sushi lovers. And they're really good. They're fresh. Freshly made, sorry about that. Man, last time I recorded here, they didn't have any milk. Looks like they just got a pallet. Whole milk, $3.96. $3.64 on the blue label. Here goes the eggs for you. 7.5 dozen, 7.5 dozen for $21.28. The eggs. This is grade A large eggs right here, $8.57 for a 2-pack only. Just for a 2-pack. 2 packs of 18. I think that's high. It's all the bacon.
And sausage, but it looks like they're low.
For the pork lovers. Well, you know who got all the waters right now? Walmart doesn't have, and they couldn't share it with them. Wow. 45 pack water, $4.48. They do carry Energizer Bunny batteries here. 48 count for $22.78. And that was a AA pack. AAA pack, $18.98, 40 count as well. Lithium batteries, double A's, $27.99. Portable monster speaker, $169.
This is just a cool round sound table. I like that.
Is that ion?
Yeah.
Yeah. The Dynatrap Insects, $84.98. Look at this pretty cool cooler right here too. It's an outdoor stainless steel cooler. $199. A mosquito repellent for $27.98. Comes in different colors. See, Sam's Clubs, they do have people at the registers here. We got 3 registers opened. And then the remaining is a self-checkout. That's what our gas prices is looking like right now. Unleaded, $4.33. Premium, $4.78. Also right here on the outside, they do have plants and they do have stuff for your green thumb people.
Your soil.
Your soil. Or the mulch. Yep. For everybody's green thumb needs. Look at the gas station. Starting to fill up as well. Well, there you go, our prepping family. We just came out of there. Showed you guys what the prices were. And they do have stocked food. They do have price inflation on things. And we did show you guys what must-haves for June 2022 to prepare for this heat wave. Appreciate you tuning in. See you on the next video.
Make sure you press like and subscribe.
All right. See you on the next one. Bye.